Hello students, good evening. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am back again with one more important video. That's nothing but how to write your chemistry paper to get that 70 out of 70 students. Isn't it the most important and awaited video? Yes. Today I'll be teaching you how to write a chemistry paper, that too. And after writing that, how to score 70 out of 70 in your board exam. So you all know students, in the previous video I have sent you 30 important questions of P block. Very important video. Please go through the video and note all the answers. Remember, Vani ma'am will never leave your hand. I'll be there with you all till you complete your board examinations. So students, today watch the complete video. I'll be teaching you how to answer it, how the answer should be underlined, what are the important points, what are the keywords, everything. Right, let us start off with the session, students. So you all know your CBSE has changed the pattern, isn't it? The CBSE this year, the pattern is changed, isn't it? So CBSE, according to the new CBSE pattern, students, let me little bit come down. Okay, according to the CBSE pattern, the most important thing, students, here it is. What is the important thing? Oh, sorry. The important thing here is when we see the pattern of the paper, let me zoom it for you all. Okay. Right. You see the pattern of the paper, students?
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me. Unacademy introduces Ask Unlimited Doubts for free students. Remember, will you give up or will you ace it? That is what is the difference. Giving up should never happen. You need to fight for it. For that, what should you do? You need to just ask us 7 doubts. Right, students? Let's see how the feature works. Unacademy introduces one more important offer for you all students. That's nothing but ask 10 doubts now and you'll be getting free Unacademy subscription. This date is particularly valid only till March 31st. You will be getting free Unacademy subscription for 15 days, students. Remember the date, March 31st is the last date. Use my referral code Vani Live to unlock. Link is given in the description. Please go to the link, students. Here, asking 7 doubts for free is the main feature where you will be getting free Creative Corner subscription. What is that? What do you have in that? You can learn robotics in that, magical skills in that, Vedic maths in that, musical skills, public speaking skills, and 100 plus skills are there in Creative Corner, students. So what are you waiting for? It's only asking 7 doubts, and with those 7 doubts you will be getting all those skills to learn. Build up your communication, build up your lot of skills are there. Please join us. Only thing, you need to ask us 7 doubts. Link is given in the description. Don't forget to use my referral code Vani Live to get 10% discount. It's up to you, students. You can opt for if you wish to join for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, you can utilize 1 month subscription, 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, like that. You have different combinations where you can join me and learn live sessions from me, students. These are the Unacademy iconic subscription features. Don't forget to use my referral code Vani Live to get that 10% discount. Rates are given here. Go through it and join me live every day. These are the Unacademy subscription features where your 360-degree support system would be there. And if you're planning to join me, don't forget to use my referral code Vani Live, students. You can download the app from the Google Play Store. And as you all know, as I've been mentioning, please use the referral code Vani Live to get 10% discount. Download the app from Google Play Store, students. Remember to use my referral code Vani Live. Conducting free sessions for grade 12 students. So all the topics, dates, day, everything is mentioned. All are free sessions for you all students. So join me live every day, whether it is in the special classes or on the YouTube sessions. Join me using my referral code. I'll be waiting for you all, students. Don't forget to ask us 7 doubts. If you're asking us 7 doubts, you will be getting the Creative Corner subscription free, where you can develop 100 plus skills, students. So link is given in the description. Please go through the link, enroll today. Thank you so much.
So this is the latest CBSE pattern paper which is released, right? And according to this, we have 33 questions which are going to be there this year. Correct, my students? In these 33 questions, important thing is all questions are compulsory. And the most important thing is in section A, there are question number 1 to 16, which are objective type. So 1 to 16 objective type means 16 marks you are going to get out of 70, 16 marks you'll be getting here only. And the most important thing is question number 1 and 2 are passage based question. So this passage based question is something where if you read carefully and answer the question, it is very easy for you all to get the mark. Right? So passages are something which you all really enjoy. In English also you would have read the passage, isn't it? So passage based questions are simple. Read the question paragraph carefully and answer the questions. Got it? Now let us see in detail, students. Then basically if you have to say 1 and 2 are over and your 4 marks each, 8 marks are over. From 3 to 16 are remaining 1 mark questions. So 1 to 16 are objective type questions, students. You need to be very, very careful. Then comes section B. So question number 17 to 25 are short answer questions and they carry 2 marks each. Okay, not a problem. 26 to 30 are short answer, they carry 3 marks. This means in the you'll be having 3 different 1 mark questions in that, or numericals maximum will come in this section. In section D, question number 31 to 33 are long answers. So they are carrying 5 marks each. So 5 mark question, 1, 1, 1 would be there, and in some other cases 2 plus 3 would be there, like that. So total number of questions are 33, right students? Okay. Important thing, there is no overall choice. Internal choices will be there between 3 marks questions, 5 marks questions. I'll be just showing you how to write the paper today. Okay, right. So use of calculators and log tables are not permitted according to CBSE. So I have done a video where I have explained how to find log without log table. Correct, no students? So playlist also is given because your log tables are not permitted this time. Go playlist where how to find log without log table, anti-log without log table, everything I have done. Please go to the playlist. Video is kept there. Right, students? So this is your new pattern, CBSE sample paper, the basic instructions. Now, suppose if an answer paper or question paper is given to you, how to write the answer? That is the most important thing because our targets are high, isn't it? We want 70 out of 70. When you're targeting for 70 out of 70, every question you're planning should be perfect. Correct, students? Every question you're answering, 33 questions, it should be perfect. Let us see how to write the paper. Right, students? So let me zoom it out. Zoom in. Okay, zoom in little bit. I think by the time I understand this, it will take time. Right. Next, students. So in the next paper, if I have to tell you, let me take the cursor and see if I can. I'm sorry, the cursor here. Where is my cursor here? Okay, chalo. Little bit zoom in again. Yes, this is my cursor. Now, students. This is the pattern of paper. Now observe carefully, students. This is how you need to write the paper. Observe carefully and understand the pattern. This is basically a complete 70 out of 70 marks paper answer sheet. This is your section A, I told you. So that was the recent CBSE, this one, your paper. Suppose if an answer is given here, what is this answer, students? They've asked, what is the difference between emulsion and gel? That was a question. How should you write? You need to mention that this is the dispersed phase. What is it? Dispersion medium. What is it? So first you'll take the emulsion. You'll write the examples as written here. Then you will take gel. You'll write the examples which are written here, and both the dispersed phase and dispersed medium, both. So an underline both. So your complete 1 mark answer is this. The important thing is heading, example, dispersed phase, dispersion medium. That's all. When I take next thing, they have asked an order, increasing order of the basic strength in gas phase. Okay. We have 2 phases, aqueous phase, gas phase, and one more for with ethyl group. Correct, my students? Increasing order, they said. So among everything, the increasing order gas phase is always tertiary, isn't it? So the order is written like this. Full mark, students. You'll be getting full mark for this. The next thing, students. Here they've asked phosphorus and they have given one question based on phosphorus and silica. What did they say? What actually is the concept of doping? Okay, why is silica Why are we doping silica with phosphorus? What is the reason? What is the reason is that is what they've asked. Why are you doping silica with phosphorus? So first, whenever you're asked to give this answer, silica with phosphorus, start with phosphorus. That is what is important, students. Start explaining what is the importance of phosphorus. Then come to silica. So perfectly the child has written phosphorus is a pentavalent atom. Okay. Now what will happen when you're doping silica with phosphorus, right? So the one of the electron remains unbonded and delocalized in the lattice. So that electron, what is it gets delocalized in the lattice. That is the reason. Then after that getting delocalized, what will happen to the electron? It gets easily excited. When something gets excited, automatically conduction band, correct, no, students? And that too, the child has, if you're writing perfectly, you're writing the answer and perfectly mentioning the reason. Because of this, conduction increases. We can easily dope silica with phosphorus. You're able to see, students, that is how you need to give the reason. One more thing. So what is a type? Example also the child has mentioned. This is N-type or extrinsic conductors. Next question is, what is the product of hydrolysis of lactose? This is out of the syllabus this year, but product of hydrolysis of lactose, first mention the names. What are the products? After that, draw the structures of both. Beta D galactose and beta D glucopyranose. Here, easily, comfortably, you have to mention whether it is pyranose or furanose. It is aldehyde, so it is pyranose structure. So beta D galactopyranose, beta D glucopyranose. Easy. So product of hydrolysis, write the types and examples. Like that, they have asked the IUPAC name of this. There is a compound. What is IUPAC name? So perfectly, you have to write the name and draw the structure. 1 mark. Isn't it easy? Okay, let us take one more, students. Let me take one more. Now again zoom it for you all. Right, now let us check this. Suppose if I take this section B, okay, they give you paragraph based questions now. Compound A gives B, B gives C, C gives A. So for you all, you need to mention, you need to know what actually is A, what actually is B. So based on the question, basically this is a 2019 paper, you can check it. So based on A and what is B, they have written. So again A and B, what is written. So paragraph based questions, if you write what is A and B, that's more than enough, students. Now there is one more question asked, what is the rate law for the whole? They have given one reaction. Okay, they have given one reaction and they're asking you to write the rate law. Okay, this is the rate law. And important thing is you need to mention what is K in this, right? And they have asked what is the overall order of the reaction, 1 plus 1. So you have to put the question number 2 and write 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And one more question is asked, what is a rate determining step? So you need to write the rate determining step is the slowest step. First of all, define it. After defining slowest step, that is elementary reaction, and you need to write the rate of the reaction is determined by the slow step. That means the examiner knows what is the rate. You know that rate equation is what is the overall order of the reaction, what is the rate determining step. Got it? And one more question, what is the difference between ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions? So perfectly, first the definition obeys Raoult's law, does not obey. Then examples of ideal solutions, examples of non-ideal solutions. Okay, how are the interactions, solute-solute interactions? Perfect. 2 marks, 2 points, enough, more than enough, students. Easy. That is what is important. So delta H mixing, what happens? Delta V mixing, what happens? Delta, for non-ideal solutions, whether it is more, whether it is less, everything. Beautiful. Yes. Now let us see one more question, students. Like that, if you have to write, observe carefully. Let me zoom it again. Yes. Here there is one question asked. There was one question asked. So basically, they've given you a paragraph and they're asking you to identify A, B, C, D. Again, I'm mentioning this is 2019 paper. Go through the paper. This is how it looks. So potassium, permanganate is 1, right? So here they have given what identify A, B, C, D. This you need to just write A, B, C, D. No reaction required also. Right, students? So remember, once again, I'm mentioning, students, it is, I'll just zoom it out. Once again, I'll zoom it. I'm writing here for you all. This is basically, students, okay, this is basically 2019 paper. Okay, 2019 paper. Go through it. you'll get the question paper also, right? Right, students. Now next, they've given one compound and they have asked to write the IUPAC name. So what did the child do? You have to write the complex, copy the complex, write the complete name of that and draw the structure of that. And they've asked to draw the geometrical cis and trans isomers. Draw both the cis and trans isomers. Perfect, isn't it? So complete question, name. Now one more question. They've given one question where they're asking what is diamagnetic complex, more stable complex, outer orbital complex, low spin complex. So heading is written, answer is given. And what is the reason? Because of the chelate effect. The reason also is given. So once again, it's 2019 paper, you can check it. So they've asked one question, increasing order of acidic character. So basically acidic character order, a lot of trends will be there, students. Acidic character, reducing character, stability, volatility, boiling point, melting point, like that. One question. So increasing order means the one which is maximum you need to write at the last. Correct? So both the orders are written like this. Here they have written decreasing order. So the one which is very less is written at the last. Okay, increasing order, the one which is maximum at the last, the one which is minimum at the last. Right? Right. Let us see the section C. So section C, they have given one numerical, students. So basically, when a numerical is given to you, first do the conversion factors. Picometer to centimeter, okay, picometer to meter, meter to centimeter, right? So you need to do like that. After doing all the conversion factors, students, important thing is you need to write the formula for that. Okay, let me check. The question has a little bit skipped out. Okay, right. This is the question. Okay, well, I think before question. Yes, this is the question. So what did this also got skipped out? Okay, this is the question, students. Okay, next one. Let us check. So here, what happened? They have asked me to calculate total number of elements. So once again, this is 2019 paper. So the child has noted all the data, mass, conversion factors, substitute in the formula, finally get the answer. So you have to end the answer as hence. Hence, whatever is us, that one you should end as hence. Got it? So once again, I'm mentioning this is 2019 paper, set B, I think. Go through it. Next comes one more question is given to you from solutions chapter. So you have to first note all the data which is there. What is given? If any conversion factors are there, try to do the conversion factors. After doing that, apply it in the formula and finally get the answer. So what is important here is when you are doing, okay, when you are substituting the values and everything, be very careful, because first only you are doing all the conversion factors and then applying it in the numerical. But students, so write the formula, substitute the values, finally solve it here only, don't solve it somewhere else, and finally write the units and end your answer as hence the freezing point of, and write the answer. This is a perfect way of writing. Got it? Now, so they have given one more reaction. They're asking you to find out the rate of the reaction. Copy the reaction, write the formula, what are the units you write down, okay? What are the units you write down? And important thing is finally when you're asked to, okay, so let us see, students, it a little bit, let us see this question. This is the question. Oh, second. Sorry for the inconvenience, a little bit, it is little, the zoom is less, no, that's why it is problematic. Okay, so here what happens, students, they've asked me, I've calculated the whole thing, applied the rate equation, and finally I have solved it. So step by step you'll be given marks, students. First writing the formula, writing the rate equation, substituting in the rate law, then gradually step by step solving everything. So everything carries marks, students. Everything carries marks. So you're able to see, once again, this is 2019 paper. You can go to the paper. Right. Next, students, they have asked activated charcoal. Why? What is the use of it? They asked, so why is it used as a adsorbent? Why? So see this. Activated charcoal acts as an adsorbent in gas masks because it absorbs harmful and poisonous gases. So perfectly the answer is given to the point. Okay, right, like that. So let us see some more questions, students. Let us see some more questions. Okay, let us take next. Okay, not next. Okay, this is the question. So basically they have asked this question. Okay, they've asked, why is CO acting as a complexing agent? So reason is written here, example is written here. So here one important thing, CO acts as a complexing agent. You have to start the answer from the question. Remember, start your answer from the question. So CO acts as a complexing agent, and and it constitutes with nickel atom to form nickel tetracarbonyl. So what is that reaction? Basically metallurgy. This is not there this year. So that is how you need to start your answer. Next thing, students. So this is also metallurgy. This is not there. It's in the syllabus now. Now, next thing, students. So what are the highly electropositive element? Okay, this is also metallurgy. This is also not there. Now, next question. Let us see. Okay, right. So they've asked one particular thing here, that is manganese is present in +3 oxidation state in this case, and in some it is present as +7 oxidation state. Explain the polarizing power of the metal ion. So perfectly the answer is started. Explain, it's explained. MnO2 here, what is the charge? Mn2O7, what is the charge? Okay, then this is what is important. Higher the oxidation state, more is a polarizing power. You need to underline this word. Higher is the oxidation state, +7, more is a polarizing power. That's all. You write it in points also, it will do. So Fajan's rule, what is related to that? Fajan's rule. Even the Fajan's rule is explained. So perfectly the whole answer is mentioned, taking into two concepts here. One is oxidation state, one is Fajan's rule, and that too related to that. Higher the oxidation number, correct, my students? Covalent nature, how it increases. So once again, this is how you need to write an answer. Next, students, right. So europium belongs to 4F lanthanides, but it has more stable oxidation state. I told you, whatever is there in the question, try to copy that first and then start answering. So reason is given here. Reason is given here. E naught cell value, why it is more than 0, why it is favorable, everything is written. So this is polymer chapter. This is not there for now, but whatever question is given to you, students, perfectly you need to write the answer. Now let us see one more question. So they've given here, magnesium hydroxide is a mild base compared to sodium bicarbonate. Okay. First copy the question what is given, then start giving the reason. So perfectly you need to give the complete reason so that all points are covered in this. Got it? This is from your chemistry in everyday life. This is also not there this year. Right. Now let us see this question. This is one organic question, students. In organic question, they were asked, means they have given BDC in the presence of Cu, Cn and KCN. What is the product? So take the reactant, write the reagent. What are the main products? Underline that. Right? If you can write the name cyanobenzene also. Same thing, BDC in the presence of ethanol. What is the main product? Write the name. BDC with Ki, main product, iodobenzene. So you're able to see. Let us see one more question, students. Here they have asked, among the following, which is more reactive? Okay, among the following, which is more reactive? So see here, we know larger the size of the iodine, better leaving group, SN1 would be preferred. So copy the both the questions, or copy both the concepts given, tertiary alkyl halide given to you. Start writing the reason. SN1 reaction, why? Because iodine is a better leaving group than bromine. It has a larger size. So all the important points, write it and then show them the mechanism. Okay, easy. Right, that is how you need to write, students. Let us see one more. Here, this is a question. This is a question. They have given complete the following. So copy the whole question, write all the reagents and write the products. Got it? Right. So they have asked this question. See here. There are two forms of butanol. Basically, they have asked what is your RNS configuration. So the question they have taken for butanol, given question is for butanol. So dextro-rotatory forms of what is RNS configuration in this, and you finish the answer. Got it? Like that, there are a lot of ways, means the way you present your answer, students, you will easily score 70 out of 70. So here, what is important here is, students, remember, you have worked for 1 long year, correct? Now this is pandemic time. You have more and more information. YouTube is there, Google is there, your teachers are taking online classes, your NCERT textbook is with you, everything and anything. Correct, no, students? So only thing is, you should know how to write the paper. So this particular paper will help you out, students. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be there with you all till your board exams. Nothing to worry. Please share more and more. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much.